Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Claire Chibuizi and I'm a learning specialist. I help you learn how to help your children learn. Okay, so today we're going to learn something that you can easily practice with your children at home to help them get interested in mathematics. Simple ways to get children interested in maths. Now, one of the many academic challenges teachers and parents have complained the most is with children's lack of interest in maths related problems. So we all want our children to develop math skills so that they will be able to solve problems. So math skills are skills that birth solutions to many world problems. So most of the issues encountered in life with simple mathematics skills it can be solved. Okay, so but the difficulties is actually in understanding how maths relates to real life situations. That is actually the difficulties, and that is why most children are unable to uh get interested in maths because they see mathematics as being abstract, but really in essence maths can be related to real life. So have you ever wondered why people who didn't go to college or high school are able to run businesses effectively? This is because math is real. Yes, mathematics is real. So how do you get children interested in mathematics? And we're going to just do one thing, which is help them relate mathematics at home with mathematics in the class. Let them see the relationship between what is done at home, the math at home, with the math in the textbook. Yes, they read the mathematical grammar in the textbook and they are unable to relate it with what mommy and daddy do at home. Okay, so how do we relate maths at home with maths in the textbook? Yes, maths at home with maths in the textbook. So we're going to be looking at five simple areas. So one, how to relate maths at home with maths in the class. Help them take food measurement. Yes, help them take food measurement. When you are about to cook as a parent, even if it's the nanny, just ask one of the child, take measurement of probably 500 grams. You can even use your simple measuring cup. Let them take the measurement. Be intentional about these things so that this child understands that we have different units of measurement. They can take measurement in for solid, and they can also take measurement for liquid, understanding that the unit of measurement for liquid is different from the unit of measurement for solid. Okay, so number two, help them or teach them to make purchases. Yes, when they go to stores, direct them to go to stores to buy things. List out things they are to buy, send them. Ensure it's age appropriate. Yes, ensure what they are doing is age appropriate. You don't expect a child who is just starting out in making purchases to have a long list of items. Take it in bits, and over time they get used to the system. Three, handling cash for purchases. Let them handle cash. When I started practicing this with my son who is 8 years, I discovered that sometimes he would just throw away certain cash and come back home with some. So what we do is before he goes to make this purchase, we would make the list of items, sum it up. In fact, I intentionally ensure that he returns with a balance. The idea of returning with a balance is to make him responsible, make him accountable, and ensure that he's able to solve the problem of um what he spent against what he's returning and what he was unable to buy. Okay, so number four, counting items. But maybe for the younger toddlers, you can make them count items you have returned home with. Yes, make them count them. Okay, go to the grocery bag and get me count whatever it is I have bought. Ensure they are accurate. You are just being intentional about these things. Okay, number five, the principle of alternative method. Yes, I so much like this principle because it's something I set out for myself to do. Now, why I did this is because lots of children I have encountered struggle with quantitative reasoning. Any thinking that revolves around numbers, they do not want to strain their brain. No, 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 no. I've heard children that say, no, this is not for me. So why do I do this? Principle of alternative is making these children understand that when A doesn't work, they need to try B. Yes, that is the first step to solving problems. When A doesn't work, try B. And that is what they encounter in quantitative problems. When addition doesn't work, try subtraction. When subtraction doesn't work, try division, and so on. This way, this child is able to do it. Now, how do they do this? How do they practicalize this in real life? You send your child to a store to get something, and you actually send the child to store A, and the item he or she required to buy purchase the store wasn't available. Now, um thinking ensures that this child moves to the next store, check the next store, find another or find an alternative to this problem. That is what we decided to do at home. Is that okay? So ensure that those children take measurements, they make purchases, they handle cash, they count items regularly, and they sort for alternative to problems they encounter. Don't let them relax when they are unable to, when they make the first steps and it does not work. I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay, like I said, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so because you'll be getting more of learning tips from this channel. Thank you very much. My name remains Claire Chibueze. Bye.